Hi Mama, welcome back. Today we are discussing how combining breastfeeding and pumping can strengthen your breastfeeding journey. Many mothers think they must choose between breastfeeding directly and pumping. The truth is, both methods can work beautifully together. Breastfeeding directly helps build bonding, skin-to-skin contact, and natural stimulation. Pumping adds flexibility and milk supply support. For example, you can breastfeed your baby on one breast while pumping the other. This saves time and increases milk removal. When both breasts are stimulated, your body receives a stronger signal to produce milk. Another strategy is pumping after feedings. Even if only a small amount of milk comes out, the stimulation encourages increased production over time. This technique is often used by mothers who want to boost supply. If your baby has difficulty latching due to prematurity or temporary issues, pumping ensures your baby still receives breast milk. Expressed milk can be fed safely as recommended by healthcare providers. Combining methods also prepares you for unexpected situations. If you need to attend an event or appointment, having